Hello everyone! In this video series we show you how we digitalize our production. For this we have created a model factory. I'm here today with Patrick, and Patrick wants to show you something about the company running this factory.
Our demonstration company's name is AMZ Müller. They are a traditional German manufacturing company producing milk parts for the automotive industry. In this demonstration factory, we are currently producing 3 different types of products, and the setup of the IT infrastructure can be mainly described with an ERP system that is based on a SQL server, also a logistics system that can be addressed through a JSON REST API, and we also have a machine PLC that can be addressed through OPC UA. So back to you, Thilo, to find out a little bit more about the structure, how it's working in general.
Thank you, Patrick. In our factory we have 3 production lines. In each of them we are producing 1 product type. After that it goes over to our conveyor belt, from where it can be shipped in one of our 3 loading gates. Or it can also be stored in our high bay buffer storage. For digitalizing our factory, we've created different kind of dashboards. So let me start with the first one. In our first dashboard you have an overview of our factory. So here you can directly see our 3 production lines, our loading gates and our buffer storage, where you can see how many parts are produced, how many pallets are shipped, and how many parts are buffered in the storage.
So this would be a typical dashboard that could be found in a supervisor's office or presented to someone who is interested in the overall process, right?
Right. The next dashboard gives you an overview of all our orders. So here you can directly get the data out of our ERP system. You can see which order will be delivered next, and you can also get out details of these orders.
And maybe I can add that you can even adjust the order of the orders. So if there is a high priority order coming in, you can say, oh, let's start with this because this is more important than others. So you can dynamically change how the production line is supplied with new orders.
Yeah. The next dashboard gives you an overview of all our 3 production lines. So here you can directly see how many parts are produced in which production line, how many parts are okay and how many parts are not okay. The next dashboard is a quality station which is located on one of the production lines. So a worker here can see a technical drawing of the currently produced part, and he can select if the part is okay or it's not okay.
Okay, so this would be a typical use case for a quality station. The person who is working there has the opportunity to have a look at the drawing, the technical drawing, and just check if the quality of the just produced parts is correct, and then he can decide if this product's quality is good enough to be shipped to the customer or needs some additional adjustment.
Yeah, right. The next dashboard you can see here is another quality check. But here it's not the quality of one single produced part, but of the whole pallet. So here you can see which parts should be in this pallet, and if it's okay, then it can be delivered from here, or you can react if something is not okay.
So this is, for example, the case if the loading of the pallet is not correct. So if it's not loaded correctly, we can't ship it to the customer, we can't load it into a truck. The person who is checking this can say this pallet is loaded correctly or it's not correctly, right?
Yeah, exactly. The next dashboard gives you an overview of all our 3 loading gates. So here you can directly see on which of the loading gates currently a truck is, how loaded the truck is, and which carrier is the owner of the truck. The last dashboard you can see now is an overview of our high bay buffer storage. So here you can see which of the storage units are loaded and which not, and you can also use this dashboard to directly unload one of the pallets loaded in the high bay buffer storage.
So we can say that this is an interactive dashboard where the operator can choose which pallet or which order to get out from the buffer storage and use the conveyor belt to put it into a loading gate.
Yes, absolutely correct. If you want to learn more how we build all these dashboards, stay tuned.